Okay, everyone, now we come back again, and today we talk about how to use the likes, mean that the customer likes our product, and the best we call that the favorite customer product favorite. Okay, and right now we create this is the table customer favorite products. For example, when I click like this, mean that this is the customer favorites. For example, if I log out, mean that the product there is no don't show like, but when we click this, new customer, and then show the product customer favorites. Okay, and how to configure in this part. Okay, follow me step by step. And first we create model customer product favorite. Okay, we create products. Yeah, we create model PHP artisan. Okay, we import the models, products, favorites. Okay, find the model directories, and then right now we want to the protected fileable. Okay, and refer to the bus voice protected fileable. We add product IDs and customer IDs. And customer IDs. Okay, but and I copy the sub delete from the class. You protecting this. Okay, and this is the structure of column that we create: product ID, customer ID, and from the table customer product favorites. And then we create the relationship into the products. Okay, public function. And then we create function relationship. But we want to return with this and belong to products. When we complete the function belong to relationship already, to product model again, and we type via the function favorites. Get the favorites. Want to is the returns belong to. Okay, belong to. Yes, the customer products. Okay, customer product favorites class, and then we create the IDs, product, and products ID location. But we want to find the product customer only favorites on the authentication login, so we use CID and we use auth then customer and then user. Yes, not equals. Now we use the customer get. Okay, we get, I copy from here and then we get the ID on this and L. Now I mean that if the customer they not log in and then display now. Yes. So we use where condition and customer ID and CIDs. Then we create a function one more, right? Okay, you can use only or use like this, but I want to change the like this way. Return and we call this favorite, and I want to select all rows, product IDs, and we count as okay, and if that you want to use, I mean use group by row IDs. Okay, when I complete all of this, please go to check out. Okay, I close the code. Okay, I check out. Oh no, and logins and the customer controller we add the model called customer product favorite, and I use the short keyword like this favorites. And right now we go to downs. Okay, we use protected keys, protected CD, and then we add a function. Yes, function favorite. Okay, or function like. But we want to call the product with the ID, so we use the product ID here. I use this, and the ID we call the auth. An ID, but we want to check a favorite. Okay, we use where. Yes, first we check two conditions. In the first we check with the product. Okay, product IDs, and then we call product ID from the parameters. One more, we add the customer, because in the favorite product there are many key customer and product ID, so we want to check the customer on just one only when they log in or use the authentication, and then show the like their other products. And again, then So we call like this, mean that I want to check if the favorite product has already, we don't want to insert more. But if there is no, we mean that the customer can like, but we use not equals, and we use the exist method Laravel, and then we insert product, and then we call the favorite, and we create with the array pro IDs, and product IDs, and then customer IDs refer to CIDs, and then we read the race to like page. Okay, or we use the routes and shop. Okay, shop cards dot in touch refer to the route home page here. Yes, refer to the shop card here. Okay, and then we create already. Please go to route again, and we scroll down to the customer. Right now we add the route here. Okay, and we use the light. Okay, we use the function light and customer light. Okay, when we complete the function already, please to use and define shopping cart. Okay, shopping cart defines the light button from the file. We light, we can find the button light. Right now we call the function route name customer dot light. We use with the parameters. Okay, browse and IDs here. Okay, we refresh. Okay, so please go to the customer product favorite. We close the end. Okay. And I close code here. So we refresh again. But when we complete the like this already, we want to products front end. Okay, and the front end we call the product with the light here, and this is, and we call the light from the model function. So I want to use damn product, and use this code. So we refresh again. Okay, when I chase and with the relational has the customer product here. Okay, and we chase the favorite and has to the products number. Okay, 6 and 5, and 5 so we check and has 2, and but the number 2 array there is no, we call the customer not light. So if I delete from here, yeah, I insert the before already. I will refresh and we check again, and there is no relationship, there is no customer light, because there is no the customer ID or product ID from the product favorite with the 2 condition, product ID and customer. So I just go here we go to the shopping cart again, and right now we want to change here. Okay, I want to change, mean that I input the far hash, but we use the HTML core. Okay, if grow and large, hash, mean that we want to call the class name, so I go to the copy hash from menu, as you can find from the internet. And file for hash, and else, yes, use as. So I refresh page again, and there is no light, but we don't use the now, so we use the light. So I refresh again, and this is the customer login. But when the customer lies, I mean that redirect to the customer login. So let's go to change, and I close all the code. And to check out again, we want to clear code problem before, and this I delete here. Okay, and the middleware on customer we refresh or remove the exception in touch. Okay, close, and then in the customer login, I want to delete here. Yes, we delete, and I delete all redirects. So we change. We call the override redirect path. Okay, redirect path function. Okay, and then you can find or typing the auth, authenticate, and we add the class from here, and you can find from the internet. Okay, internet, or write like this. Here we add a function more. In the default Laravel there is no this function, and then redirect path we add to the request. Okay, request use, and then we call the path login. Okay, when I create already, we place the light in the redirect path. Okay, I go to the customer login again, and we remove curly brace. Refresh again, and so the customer, when I click the customer and CID, okay, and light customer, light, we use this .cid. And we want to refresh again, mean that the customer lives. Okay, so the product customer life. If we click one more and we refresh, mean that the product has already, so the customer cannot like more. So I like one more, and so they like this one more. Okay, if we use the like this, we want to change the label danger. Okay, so we go to shop and label warning. Okay, and the warning we want to change. Yes, we change is right, and I want to the danger, and as I use the class warning. So I refresh again. Okay, enter product light. So we like more. Okay, and I show you, and this is how to use light customer. So if the customer log out, mean that the product that is not show the customer line, because the line, yes, need authentication customer login and then show the customer product line. So I refer again. So we use. Okay, and so the lines product customer lines. Okay, so with the login here, yeah, when the customer login, for example, customer login, and then I want to change login to the account customer. So I delete all code and go to find the front ends in the nails we want to change here. Okay, and this is we change if and not to get customer. Okay, customer change. Yeah, we use the L, not change. So I copy here. Yeah, I change to the customer home or customer home, and this is we use the account. Okay, so I refresh again, and then this is the customer account. So in the account I want to use the class fast and user. So I refresh again, and the account customer. But in the customer we use the, when the customer click the customer, we want to redirect to the home page. So we go to, okay, I close this code and manually in the header customer here. Okay, when the customer take here and redirect to the home page again. Okay, we use the route and sort dot and dot in touch. Okay, but we want to change shopping. Okay, okay, in this part I think that you know really how to use the live customer product, and the next time we want to display the customer favorite products. Okay, and this part, don't forget the last time, don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Okay, and what happened in the next time. Say goodbye.